Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. If you're looking for a realistic way to make money online in 2026, selling digital products is one of the smartest business models you can start. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require inventory, shipping, or upfront investment. You create the product once, upload it online, and it can sell repeatedly without additional work. That's why so many creators, freelancers, and beginners are turning to digital products as their main income stream. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 digital products that are already in high demand, are easy to create even if you're a beginner, and have a strong long term passive income potential. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll also explain how you can launch a digital product business with a $0 budget. Let's get started. Digital product number 1 is niche recipe ebooks. Recipe ebooks continue to perform extremely well online, but only when you avoid the generic approach. Instead of creating a basic cookbook, the real opportunity lies in hyper specific recipe collections. Millions of people have dietary restrictions, fitness goals, or lifestyle preferences that require customized meal ideas. Some profitable examples include gluten free meals, dairy free desserts, vegan family dinners, high protein snacks, or budget meal plans. You can niche down even further by targeting specific situations such as 5-minute meals for busy parents, beginner meal prep for weight loss, or affordable recipes for college students. When people feel a product was designed exactly for their lifestyle, they're far more likely to purchase. Many sellers earn consistent monthly income simply by identifying the right niche and solving a specific problem. Digital product number 2 is AI prompt packs. AI prompt packs are one of the fastest growing digital product categories today. As tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini become widely adopted, users are realizing that the quality of AI output depends heavily on the prompt itself. However, most people struggle to write effective prompts. This creates a massive opportunity. You can create prompt packs for specific industries or use cases such as real estate listings, social media content creation, email marketing, customer support responses, or business automation workflows. If you already know how to get strong results from AI tools, you can package that experience into ready to use prompts. So these products have extremely low overhead, require no coding, and can be created using simple text documents. You can also increase perceived value by adding usage examples, customization tutorials, or prompt frameworks that explain how each prompt works. Digital product number 3 is budget planning spreadsheets. Personal finance is an evergreen niche that remains profitable year after year. People are constantly looking for ways to manage their money better, track expenses, and improve their financial habits. However, generic budget trackers often struggle to stand out. The key is creating spreadsheets for specific life situations. Example, you can include budgeting templates for freelancers, couples combining finances, college students managing allowances, or individuals saving for a home or a vacation. These spreadsheets can be built using Google Sheets or Excel and may include automated formulas, monthly dashboards, expense categories, and savings progress charts. Many sellers create one spreadsheet and earn passive income from it every month with minimal maintenance. Digital product number 4 is workout trackers and fitness logs. The fitness industry continues to grow globally, making workout planners a strong digital product category. However, generic fitness planners face heavy competition. Now, what performs best are trackers designed for very specific audiences. So, examples include workout logs for beginners, home workout trackers with no equipment, fitness planners for people over 50, or postpartum workout trackers for new moms. These products can be sold as printable PDFs, Notion dashboards, Google Sheet trackers, or digital planners compatible with tablets. Because users interact with these products daily, satisfied customers often return to purchase related items such as habit trackers, nutrition planners, or meal prep templates. Digital product number 5 is social media templates for niches. Social media templates are in massive demand because every business needs content. But not everyone has time or design skills, right? Instead of creating general templates, the most profitable strategy is to niche down by industry. So, examples include templates for real estate agents, fitness coaches, photographers, beauty professionals, travel creators, or small business owners. A real estate template bundle, for example, you can include property listings, open house posts, testimonials, market updates, and educational tips. So you can create all templates using Canva and sell them repeatedly without additional work. Once your bundle performs well, you can expand into story templates, carousel designs, or platform specific packs. Digital product number six is printable and digital planners. Planners remain one of the strongest digital product categories online. What works best are planners that focus on organizing one specific area of life rather than trying to cover everything. Popular examples include content planners for creators, wedding planners, meal planners, home renovation organizers, or moving checklists. You can sell these planners as printable PDFs or fully interactive digital planners for tablets. Digital planners have grown rapidly due to stylus compatibility, giving users a realistic handwriting experience without paper. Digital product number seven is niche checklist and quick guides. Niche checklists and quick start guides are among the easiest digital products to create. People want fast results, not long courses or complex training programs. Short guides that solve one clear problem perform extremely well. Examples include podcast launch checklist, beginner AI guides, weekly meal prep systems, job interview preparation list, or home organization workflows. These guides are usually between 5 and 15 pages long and can be consumed in under 15 minutes. You can research trending topics using tools like Google Trends, outline the content using AI tools, and design professional layouts with Canva. Because they are fast to produce, you can create multiple guides and stack several income streams quickly. Now, selling digital products in 2026 remains one of the most accessible ways to build online income. You don't need a large following, expensive tools, or technical skills. You simply need to identify a problem people already have and create a simple product that solves it. Start with one idea, launch it, gather feedback, then improve, and expand your product line over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next video on your screen. I'll see you in the next one.
Introducing CloudFunnels 2. Build high profit, AI powered sales funnels, landing pages, opt in pages, business sites, and more in just a few clicks. Create great landing pages with drag and drop WYSIWYG Builder. Inbuilt autoresponder. Grab leads, sales, and send your emails automatically. SEO optimized. Unlock your best ranking potential with complete SEO optimization features. Dozens of free plugins. Save $100 on plugins that get you more leads, sales, and profits. Supports global payment gateways. GDPR and data compliance. CloudFunnels is available in 17 languages. Secure and 100% control over data. Create multiple funnels. Why make one funnel when you can make many? Create funnels on subdomains and subfolders too. Business analytics at your fingertips. Detailed sales and funnel analytics help you get better marketing results. Dozens of third-party integrations. CloudFunnels protects your profits by keeping your running costs low. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get CloudFunnels 2 now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in.